Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, a box of Heroclix. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from our trusty buy and ship. And this is a consolidation of, I think, 4 packages. Okay, I remember a couple of packages should be from the Munchkin Man. Okay. And then one for Venom, and a bunch more for more Venom. Okay, so hopefully everything is inside. Let's check it out together. Okay, so as always, buy and ship. I think for this package they have increased the shipping cost because of the rising gas prices due to the war on Iran. So it is what it is. But just saying that it has a direct impact to our hobby. Anyway, so let's see if everything is in order. Okay. I'm not so excited in a sense because I think this should also contain a bunch of boosters for Venom. Okay, as part of the auction. Okay, but unfortunately my pools have been mediocre. Okay, in the online auction. Okay, I haven't pulled any chases, so as far as I know. Okay. Anyway, so this is the content of the box. You can see there. So we'll open it. We'll go through it together. The first one is from WizKids, the Colossal Gingerbread Man. Do you know the Munchkin Man? We'll open this in a separate video. Okay, but I'm excited for this one because I collect Christmas stuff. Okay. And the second one is here. Okay, this is, what's this? Ooh, a mini, a box containing, okay, so this contains some of the auction items from Auxit. Usually when a new set arrives, Auxit does the first week one release auctions, individual auctions. So I won 3 Gore, Virus, and Venomized Miles. Okay, and let's see, I think I also won a complete set of the one shot, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, definitely for pulp, Gore is good. Okay, we have Gore, Virus, Venomous Miles, and a complete set of one shots. So this one is gonna be for keeps. We try to collect the one shots ourselves because they are not meta, all of them, but it's nice to have them. Separation Society, Little Protector, Maximum Carnage, Concealed Costume. This one is meta. Alien Hunger, Alpha Magna Eliminator, Into the Venomverse, The Enemy Within, Double Trouble, Let There Be Carnage, Life Foundation, Zombie Infection, Hive Incursion, Ravencroft Institute, Venomized, and Sewer Retreat. Okay, so I'm glad I have a complete set. That will be for my own play piece. Okay, so we have here the Colossal Gingerbread Man product from WizKids. Okay. Okay, I see here a loose Let There Be Carnage one shot. Okay, might be from one of the Oxid items. Okay, but let's start off with this one first. Marvel Heroclix Venom Horse. Okay, so this is one of the purchasable. Okay, when you buy, I think, a brick. Okay, so we're just gonna take a quick look just to make sure that everything's here. We'll probably make a separate video about the horse. Okay, so the horse is here. Good, good, good. And the card is the Venom horse. Okay. Good, good. Okay. And then this should be the Venom T-Rex. Venom T-Rex. Okay. Again, we'll just take a quick look just to make sure that everything is in order, and a separate video unboxing will be done. Okay, there you go. Seems like it's here. Card is here, Venom T-Rex. And the scope is amazing. So I can't wait to crack that open on a separate video. Okay, I also see here another box. This should contain the other Munchkin Man. Let's see, how do you open this? Here, let's remove. Okay, I actually have all the Munchkin Men. That's why it's a welcome thing that they make new ones, and I usually display them during Christmas season. So okay, this has been packaged really well. Let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we have here more plastic. This is from eBay. Okay, from Get Comics Incorporated. Okay, and this contains ooh. So yeah, Got Comics Incorporated, thank you for your purchase. Please accept this free gift on our behalf. Ooh, thank you as well for including this Harley Quinn. I actually don't have her yet, so this is quite a surprise for me. Okay, so thank you. Definitely will buy some more from you guys. Okay, this is the free comic book day Harley Quinn. I don't have her yet. Okay, thank you for that. And again, what we purchased is this one. Let's see. I'm trying to keep things quiet because the kids are sleeping. Let's see. There you go. So we have the Gingerbread General and the Gingerbread Man. Okay, and a bunch of snowball equipments. Okay, what's the effect of this? Incapacitate. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna look at them a bit on a separate video because they are gingerbreads. Okay. For now, let's just move forward And we have come to the boosters. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boosters. As I said, I don't expect any earth-shattering pull from these boosters. It is what it is. Sometimes when you in a set you become lucky with the brick breaks and sealed, but in this set I'm not. Okay, so I have your 4 cards. I don't know where this is. There. Okay, so this is the first booster. Poison Spider-Man. Okay, but we have Rex Strickland, which is one of our wants, obviously. This is 410 booster 9. Okay. And then we have, there we go. We pulled at least a super rare. We have a super rare Iron Man. I think this will be traded to Larry, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, we have the Iron Man here. Okay. And then we have Riot Rare. Okay. So as I said, it's a rare with a little protector one shots. And then we have, oops, there we go. We have another super rare, Host Rider. Okay, so first time I'm seeing Host Rider. This will probably go to Heinz via trade. Okay, I know he's collecting the poison characters. We have your rare Electra. Okay. And a one shot. Zombiote Infection. Okay. The last 3. We have another rare Poison Spider-Man. Is it the same? Oh, no, I thought it was the same booster. Exactly the same. No, but it has a one shot. Ravencroft Institute. Okay, last 2 we have. Ooh, super rare Doom. Okay, so it's super rare Doom. So we only just pulled super rare, and the last one is a rare Gore. Okay, a rare Gore with a Alien Hunger. Alien Hunger is good. It's a tradable piece. Okay, so that's it. The box is empty, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next video, bye.